Hi guys, in this tutorial we will discuss the overview of LCP or Largest Contentful Paint, one of the metrics of Core Web Vitals. Core Web Vitals are a subset of factors that will be part of Google's Page Experience Score. So it's basically one of Google's ways of sizing up your page's overall user experience. And Google plans to make page experience as an official Google ranking factor. Now, what is LCP or Largest Contentful Paint? It measures speed, how quickly the largest piece of content gets displayed on the viewport. It tracks when the largest above-the-fold content element appears. It is the time from clicking on a link to seeing the majority of the content on screen. So LCP focuses on what really matters when it comes to page speed, being able to see and interact with your page. A good LCP score is anything less than 2.5 seconds. It's considered poor when it's more than 4 seconds. Needs improvement if it's somewhere in between. The faster the page, the better. Fast LCP means the page is useful. Now let's talk about how to measure or where to find your LCP score. One way to do it is to install the Web Vitals Chrome extension. So when you load the page, it gives you your LCP score right away. Right there. So in this page, for example, we have 3.77 seconds LCP. Another thing you can do while on the page, right-click and inspect to load DevTools. Go to the Performance tab and click this button right here to reload the page and to start profiling. Now, under Timings, you're going to see your LCP right there. And when you hover your mouse over this, it will at the same time highlight which part of the site is your largest contentful paint or the largest element of the page. So let's go ahead and look for it. All right. And there it is. So this section is the one considered as the largest contentful paint for this page. And if you notice, when I click on this, it also displays here what type or file type it is. So it's an image, the size, timestamp, and all the other details. Another thing you can do is use the Page Speed Insights tool from Google, input the domain and click Analyze. And here you will see your LCP score. There's also a section under Enhancements tab on your Google Search Console account where you can see your Web Vitals score. Here are some tips to improve your LCP score. Remove unnecessary third-party scripts. One study shows that each third-party script slowed down the page by 34 milliseconds. Set up lazy loading. You only load the element on the page when needed or when the user scrolls to that section of the page. Upgrade your web host or get a better hosting plan because that means faster load times. Optimize images, resize it, compress it because large images can slow down your website. Try to use online resources like photoshop.adobe.com to resize your image or compress it using tinypng.com, for example. Minify your CSS. There are tools available online like this, cssminifier.com, where you can input your CSS in here and you will get the minified output, and that's what you implement or deploy on your site. To learn more about LCP, visit web.dev/LCP.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.